Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on POCO F8 Ultra. Alright, so we just need to open up our WhatsApp. Once we are here, we need to click on those three dots in the top right corner and now find settings. Now scroll down, click on chats, scroll down again and click on chat backup. Alright, let's begin with Google account. Currently, as you can see, this Google account is selected, and it means that on that account, our backup will be saved and stored. So, if you want to restore a backup later in the future, you'll need to be signed in into the same Google account that you have selected right in here during the backup process. Of course, if you want to add a new account, click on Add and sign in. Down below, we have the automatic backups. Defaultly, this option is turned off. In my case, I put it on the monthly. So now the backup will be automatically made each month and I don't need to do this manually. Pretty cool thing. If you want, you can pick between those possible modes on the screen. I'll stick to the monthly. Let's also include the videos on our backup, worth enabling. And on the bottom, we have end-to-end encrypted backup. Basically, in here, you'll be able to create a unique password that you'll need to type in the future if you want to restore your chats. But be aware that if you create a password and when you forget it, you won't be able to restore anything. So if you choose to create it, don't forget it. But just like I'm saying, it's not necessary to create that password. Also, make sure that you have some free Google storage space right in here. And now to create a backup, hit this green button. The backup will now begin. In my case, it won't take long because I don't have many messages. In your case, I'm certain that it will take a little bit longer. Alright, as you take a look on the last backup, we can see the hour is the same basically. So it's like a confirmation that everything went successfully and our backup has been created. We can also see the size of the backup. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.